Hello friends, today we are back with a new video on how to learn vocabulary with the help of mnemonics. In the last video, we discussed 20 new words of letter A. The video link is in the description below. Today we will learn 20 more words. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find the video useful. Let's start. Agape means wide open or a state of wonder and amazement. Split it as A plus gape. Relate gape to gap. A gap is a wide open between something. When we are amazed or wonder seeing something, we open our mouth wide open. So, agape means wide open. Agglomeration means collection or heap. Split it as AGG plus loomer plus ration. Relate AGG to egg. Imagine a ration shop where you saw a heap of eggs. So, agglomeration means collection or heap. Aggrandize means increase or intensify. Concentrate on grand in the word aggrandize. Grand is related to something huge or lavish like a grand party. So, aggrandize means to intensify something. Aggregate means combine, gather or accumulate. Usually this word is used to ask the total marks. For example, what is your aggregate score? So, aggregate is to combine or accumulate. Aggressor means attacker. Split it as aggress plus or. Aggress is an emotion related to attacking or having a conflict. So, aggressor means an attacker. Aghast means horrified or filled with horror. Split it as A plus ghast. Relate ghast to ghost. When you see a ghost, you are frightened or filled with horror. So, aghast means horrified. Agility means able to move quickly. Split it as A plus Gilly plus TY. Gilly is the nickname of an Australian wicketkeeper, Adam Gilchrist. He is well known for his fast catches by moving his hands quickly. So, agility means able to move quickly. Agitate means stir up or disturb. Agitate sounds like irritate. When someone irritates while doing work, you will be disturbed. So, agitate means disturb. Agnostic means one who is doubtful about existence of God. Split it as A plus G plus no plus stick. Relate G to God. God no means someone who does not believe in God or his existence. So, agnostic means one who is doubtful about existence of God. Agog means highly excited. Agog sounds like a dog. A dog always barks. Relate barking to shouting. A person shouts when he is very excited. So, agog means highly excited. Agrarian means pertaining to land or its cultivation. Split it as AGR plus Aryan. Relate AGR to agriculture. So, agrarian is pertaining to land or its cultivation. Alacrity means eagerness or speed. Split it as ala plus criti. Relate criti to creativity. A person who has creativity is always eager to learn new things fastly. So, alacrity means eagerness or speed. Alchemy means medieval chemistry. Split it as Al plus chemi. Relate chemi to chemistry. So, alchemy means medieval chemistry. Alcove means small recessed section of a room. Split it as al plus cove. Relate al to a and cove to cave. A cave is a small hole in the mountain. Similarly, alcove is also a small area of a room that is formed by one part of a wall. Alias means an assumed name. Split it as Ali plus as. Ali is a name, and when combined it with as, relate it to Ali called as some other name. In this image, you can see MS Dhoni always called alias finisher. So, alias means an assumed name. Alienate means make hostile or separate. Split it as alien plus 8. If aliens come on Earth, you will not make them friend and start treating separately. So, alienate means to make hostile or separate. Alimentary means supplying nourishment. Split it as element plus ari. Element sounds like element. Iron, calcium are some of the basic elements required for supplying nourishment to the body. Alimentary canal also supplies nourishment to the body. So, alimentary means supplying nourishment. Alimony means payment by husband to his divorced wife. Split it as ali plus money. Money sounds like money and assume Ali as the name of a person. Imagine Ali giving money to his divorced wife every month. So, alimony means payment by husband to his divorced wife. Allay means calm, relieve or ease. Split it as al plus lay. When you are with a calm mind, you lay on the bed and relieve your fears and stress. So, allay means calm or relieve. Allege means state without proof. Split it as al plus each. Relate eg to eligible. If you are eligible for voting, then you have to show the proof. All plus eligible is not possible without showing proof. So, allege means state without proof. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find the video useful and subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Thank you.